check them out. Gosh, the only thing I hate about this time of year. I love this, but you get all these. Can't even get my leg off of there. Ah, help, I'm falling. But you get all these little, what are they like? I call them hitchhikers. But they're like cockles or whatever they're called. I hate them things, man. It's like you touch a bush and it's like swamped all over you. Anyways, hey, guess what we're gonna do today? Go ahead, guess. Oh, I don't know, Jeff. We're gonna do a bow hunt? Yeah, we're gonna bow hunt. Why are we gonna bow hunt? Come on, everybody. Because Jeff likes to bow hunt. That's right. So I figured today, let's see if maybe we can smack us some, look, I got them on my shirt and I didn't even do anything with my shirt. I've been in the truck. It's like they fly. Great. So let's see if we can even maybe smack some birds, because that's right, bird season's in. And so, see what we can do. I got these Rage knockoff broadheads. Hope they fly straight. All right. Shh. Look, I didn't even touch nothing. I got these things. Oh my God. There's an Urkel. Let's see if we can hit him. Oh. Might as well get in the blind and wait. I will get you guys. We got Urkels. Let's see if we can get that rooster. That'll be the black and white one right there. He ain't going nowhere. Oh, look. There's an Urkel still sitting there. Got an Urkel just making some racket. He's actually calling the other one down. Come on out. Here comes the little one right there. Oh, there's the big boy right there. Oh, this rain. Let's see if it'll come down. There they are. All right, let's take that other one. I missed him, now he's yelling at me. Shut up. He's right there. Dude, how awesome was that? Look. So my first shot, my first bird, it's called a Nepal Khalij pheasant. Can you see that? You see how nice that looks? Pretty cool, huh? Second one we got was an Urkel Franklin. And this guy got double spurs. Can you see them double spurs on there? Look at him. How's that? 2 birds at a pig hunt. All I need is a pig. If I got a pig, it'd be great. Okay. Hopefully the birds come out. Or pigs, you know what I'm saying. When pigs fly. That's too cool. Okay, let's see what else we got.
It starts long before you knock an arrow. The early mornings, those late nights, that relentless fight. Only then do you earn the right to draw.
For the past decade, King's has provided the most realistic camo patterns on the market, engineered with lightweight, durable materials and combined with affordability. We're building camo apparel for every hunter. We make camo that performs while keeping you concealed at a price you can afford.
Man, how cool is this, huh? So, started out with smacking us a nice Nepal Khalij pheasant. This is the rooster. And then the Urkel came out, was talking smack. So we got a nice Urkel Franklin. Both of them got nice spurs on them. Puh. I don't know what that was. So, anyways, then these two little pigs, what I was trying to do is I was trying to line them up so that I could take both of them with one shot, but it was getting dark. I don't know how well that came out. Thing finally turned off. I was like, how do you turn this down? So, man, did you see the hole that thing put in there? Holy crap, dude, that's, well, I mean, from the tip of my finger to, it's almost the length of my finger. Yeah. He didn't go far. That thing, he bled out all over the place. That's good hunting. Man, that's bow hunting. That's what I like to do. So, good thing. That's fun hunt, man. It's a nice little soft piggy we can eat. I got 2 birds that we can eat. Lost an arrow, though. I'll come back tomorrow morning and look for it. I'll bring the weed eater. Got all these daggone sticky things all over me. Freaking nasties. So, anyways, hey, thanks for watching. Until next time, I want to say aloha and wait. Okay, hey, go check out some of our sponsors, okay? I just want to say thank you to everybody and give a shout out to some Marines out there real quick. We've got Cal with Paradise Helicopters. Man, hey, he's a Marine. He's a pilot, man. How do you like that? Do something you love, man. So anyways, hey Cal, thanks, man. Appreciate all that you do for everybody out here. And then we got Scott out there in Ohio with 3 Eye Holsters. Man, he makes some awesome stuff. Try some sheaths too. He might be making some of those. Watch for those soon. And then we got Matthew Roberts down there with Mission 6 down in Louisiana. Hey Matt, how you got? I'm at So anyways, hey, go check these guys out, man. Help out the organizations they're with. If you're gonna buy something from a veteran, okay? Doesn't matter if he's Marine or Army or Air Force or Navy or Coast Guard. Buy something from a military person, okay? A veterans. But hey, thanks for watching. Go pass this show around, like I said, like it's a cheap bottle of wine on a Saturday night. Some Mad Dog 2020. Anyways, so hey, thanks for watching. Till next time, aloha and ahui-ho. All right. I think I may have to go get the truck and drag these things out. That ain't happening. Wish I had a game bag on this.
Na Yehova oi, e ho o mai ka I mai, a e mālama mai. Na Yehova e kau mai I ka mālama lama, o kona maka ma luna iho o, wa e loko mai ka I mai ia oi. Na Yehova e maliu mai ia oi, a e haawi mai I maluno